Finally today, a little ranching advice for our newcomers out there when it comes to ranch visits from your veterinarian.
One of the main challenges as a veterinarian, if I go out to a new producer's operation, is evaluating their facilities. One of the big challenges is facilities that are not adequate. They don't have to be fancy, they just need to be functional and safe. So encourage producers, particularly those that are maybe looking at either starting an operation and don't have facilities currently, or taking a look at what you do have and modifying those, to visit with your veterinarian on how best to meet the needs of what you're going to need to be doing at the operation when it comes to animal health, treating, medicating. I always joke with some of my previous clients, like, I'm only going to catch a cow if she runs through my loop. I'm not much of a roper, and so we've got to have good facilities in order to be able to be effective in treating these animals.